You can use food to treat diseases.
Fresh, good, healthy food.
This delicious smoothie is vegan, healthy, and features cannabinoid-rich cacao. Take 1 frozen banana sliced, 1 to 1.5 cups of sliced fresh or frozen strawberries, 2 tablespoons of almond butter or other nut or seed butter, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, one cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Additional ice cubes can be added if desired prior to blending. Enjoy!